We are pleased to show you the 2016 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, rear stabilizer bar, ambient lighting, front stabilizer bar. Come take a test drive today.